Today we're going to help you save money and show you how to patch a hole in your wall in 5 easy steps.
Okay, so what's going on here?
Okay, so we are about to move and I have this hole in my wall that needs to be repaired before we move out.
Yes.
Big brother and big sister are here to help me out.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little quick DIY to help when you are renting and sometimes you want to get that deposit back.
Yeah. We want the deposit.
We want the deposit back. So we're gonna go ahead and help her out.
Step 1 is to measure the hole and make sure you have some of these tools and items to help you fix your wall. The hole we're working with today is 4 inches long and about 2 inches wide.
Because this is a smaller hole, you can use mesh tape and joint compound. There's no need to cut the drywall. If this hole were larger than 6 inches, you would need to cut a square section around the hole and fix it with a drywall patch.
Step 2. Apply mesh tape. Cut enough tape to cover the entire hole.
Place the mesh tape over the hole with a little room on the ends. If you use more than one piece, do not overlap them. Overlapping mesh tape will show through the joint compound and make it harder to smooth.
Step 3. Apply joint compound. For this project, we're using this Fast Patch 30 patching compound that simply mixes with water. We like to use it because it will not dry out and we can make as much as we need. To save time and money, you may want to use this hand-sized all-purpose joint compound that's pre-mixed or one of these lightweight joint compounds to patch your small hole.
Don't forget your mud pan to mix your compound in.
The powdered compound kind of reminds us of pancake mix. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. This will make it easy to use your taping knife when applying it to the wall. We're using a 6-inch plastic taping knife, but you can use a metal one as well.
You can also use these tools and products to fix small picture holes in the wall.
Place a small amount of compound on your taping knife and spread it evenly over the hole. One technique is to smooth from the inside out, pressing gently against the wall to make a flat surface. This is called feathering.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Smooth the compound as much as you can while it's wet. Now it's time to let the compound harden and dry before the next step.
So the patching compound is dry now, and we're about to sand to get it nice and flush to the wall. Sanding drywall can produce quite a bit of dust, so this would be a great time to wear a mask if you need one.
If you don't have an electric sander, you can always use a drywall sanding block. Sanding in circles helps you to smooth and feather the compound so that it blends nicely to the wall.
Now all you need to do is vacuum up the dust and clean the area with a damp cloth.
And just like that, voila, the hole is gone. All we need now is a little bit of touch-up paint, which I can handle that part. And I should be getting all of my security deposit back because there's no money left on the table.
As a beginner DIYer or renter, fixing a hole in your wall yourself really is doable. We want to know, were you inspired to fix your hole? Let us know in the comment section. Join the DIY Power Couple family to learn about more benefits like these.
Thank you! DIYing is still dope.
It is.
If you'd like to see more home improvement videos like these, please subscribe to our DIY Power Couple channel.